Intersectionality is a big word these days. I'm not sure that I know exactly what it means, but when you talk about the intersection of health and food and green space, it seems pretty obvious to me, and it would be obvious to anybody you ask this question of. If you live in a concrete jungle and a food desert, you're probably going to be less healthy. FrogTown Green is a neighborhood initiative to increase the environmental resilience and sustainability of this neighborhood. FrogTown geographically is bounded by University Avenue on the south, by Lexington Avenue on the west, by Pierce Butler Route on the north, and I-35 to the east. It's a long, skinny neighborhood that's sort of shaped like a mingy slice of pie. Since 2009, people working with FrogTown Green have achieved this park. It's a 13-acre park where there wasn't one before, a green space that included an organic permaculture farm within it. Since 2011, we've also planted more than 500 trees in residents' backyards. We manage multiple community garden sites, provide science and nature education to kids at a couple of different venues in the neighborhood, and we've built an 8,000 square foot pollinator garden at a local rec center and park. FrogTown is beset with all of the challenges that are faced by poor people and people of color living in America today. But environmental equity requires that we think about neighborhoods like ours just as much as any other neighborhood where these challenges are less. Our vision for FrogTown is that it become the greenest neighborhood in the city of St. Paul. We have a long way to go, but we're working on it.